It's me, my family. 1, 2, 3.
Baba bum baba bum baba 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 bum.
Baba means father.
Baba
Baba means father.
amai
Amai means mother.
amai
Amai means mother. Sisi means sister.
sisi
Sisi means sister.
budi
Budi means brother.
budi
Budi means brother. Mukoma means big sibling. Mukoma means big sibling. Muninina means little sibling. Muninina means little sibling.
Hanswadi
Hanswadi means sibling.
Hanswadi
Hanswadi means sibling. Sekuru means grandfather or uncle. Sekuru means grandfather or uncle.
go
Gogo means grandmother or aunt.
go
Gogo means grandmother or aunt.
baba mukuru
Baba Mukuru means big father or uncle.
baba mukuru
Baba Mukuru means big father or uncle.
baba mudiki
Baba Mudiki means little father or uncle.
baba mudiki
Baba Mudiki means little father or uncle.
my guru
Means big mother or aunt.
my guru
Means big mother or aunt.
my nini
Means little mother. My Nini means little mother. Te means aunt. Te means aunt.
baba
Baba amai sisi budi muko.